Droid protocol.
I'm not sure what all this trouble is about, but I'm sure it must be your fault.
Hi everyone, Droid Protocol here. Today I want to do a little video of the restoration and refurbishment of my original C-3PO costume. 6 years ago I wanted to build a 3PO and I had no idea how to do it, so I ended up building it out of cardboard, which you can see here. This is the point where I made the first mistake. I started off by using a plaster poly filler over the cardboard. Then I sanded it smooth and painted it with Plasti Dip when my actual intention was to coat it in resin. Then I used a ton of acrylic filler and more rubber paint to try and get it smooth. Surprise, surprise, that was a mistake. Now don't get me wrong, the suit actually looked okay once it was painted gold, and I did win an award for it. But after wearing the suit at Oz Comic Con for 5 hours, a lot of the cardboard got saturated with sweat and started coming apart. I also had a lot of issues with the fit of the suit. So this was the point when I did a major rebuild and re-sculpted and shaped the shoulders and chest of the torso. It was at this point that I loaded it up with fiberglass resin and a lot of automotive filler, which made the suit far too heavy. It then sat on the shelf for about 6 years before I actually went ahead and did some modification. Here you can see how I cut the torso apart with the aim of resizing it and making it fit me better. Then it was all glued back together, and with extensive use of an angle grinder, I was able to strip a lot of the bulk out of the original torso piece. The original neck that was on this torso was really bad, so I rebuilt that, and I also rebuilt the backpack and replaced a lot of parts with PVC to make it lighter. I've even added bearings to the shoulder assembly. And next I used my router to cut out a circle from the stomach area. And then I went ahead and made a brand new belly disc out of PVC. So there's a few more details that have to be added, but overall the torso is basically just about ready for painting and it looks really good. So thanks for watching. I'm Droid Protocol and I will see you in the next video. Bye!